Trying to remove the sticker with a heat gun. It's really hard to remove, so had to try different options there and a combination as well. Trying a rubber rondelle, that was quite effective, so used that quite a lot. So here I use a combination of the heat gun and also the rubber rondelle. That was quite effective to remove it with the heat at first and use the rondelle afterwards. I also used citrus spray to take away the stickers. That also turned out pretty good. I would say I'm really happy with the quality on the paint there. It's a aerosol spray can, but the coverage of the paint was really good, I would say. Maybe the best I have been seen ever. I've used a lot of spray cans, and the cheap ones almost don't cover anything. You have to have several coats with paint, many coats. And this one, we needed only 2 coats on the entire back part. And it turned out really good, I would say. And the paint seemed to be really hard, really glossy finish, and it covered really good. So I'm really happy with the paint there. If you like my videos, check out my YouTube channel and have a great weekend. See you later.